Съездили, да? На штаб-квартиру.
Да.
How are you? That's our picture. Yeah. Welcome to the once again.
Thank you. Yes.
Hello. How are you?
System.
Hello.
Yeah.
You're a very strong team.
Only
Very supporting the Congress.
No, it is an issue that is very high on our agenda. With the security day in Vienna 2 weeks ago, and
Yeah. Standing lady on our part, being with you, right? Madam Aitimo. Aitimo was the gender panelist, something like that, right?
they
But-
met with me at the airport.
Trust, tradition, transparency, and tolerance. 40s. So they still valid. They're still valid. Leader, the Gulf Arabic leader, and then we had the Vatican. On language, no translation was needed. No translation was needed because they were speaking one language and quite good that politicians were also. It was. On the other hand, you have the Nordics with their contribution to peace process. So we are very excited.
It is a pleasure, and I really think your contribution and all your participation is very good. So now the OSCE, it remains difficult. The divisions are there. Ukraine is hardly getting any better, and Ukraine is unfortunately a big crisis in itself, but also.
The OEC with this Ukraine.